Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to not show you and such. It's like I want to talk about the topic which is like everybody keep on asking me how to make money by watching ads. That's the topic of this video. But what is the reality behind it? Can you really make money by watching ads? Like I'm just going to show you into my system now, where how people are advertising that watch ads make $100, watch ads make $200, $300. Is this really possible? I mean, I just wanted to specifically talk about this topic. The reason is I keep getting comments on this topic saying that is it really possible. Okay, so that's the main aim of this video. I'm just going to talk about this. What is this all about, watching ads and making money? Okay, so let's jump onto the video. So if this is your first time watching, make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon. I do most of my videos about make money online in genuine ways to the certain extent. I mean, at least by 90% of the time, the most of the websites I mentioned are genuine to a great extent. Okay, let's jump onto the website. To what I'm talking about. See this. See when you go and search watch ads and make money or whatever you search. I'm not trying to blame anybody or complain on anybody, but I just want to talk about the reality. Can you really make money by watching ads? See this. Earn $7.40 by 30 seconds watching ads. Earn, I don't know how much money. What is this? $7 per 1 hour, $12 per 2 hours, 3 days by watching ads. Is this really possible? Just don't mention. Like, I really have respect on Big Mark or Ryan. I do, and I have learned a lot from them. I'm not here to complain on anybody, but the true reality about making money online by watching ads. What is the reality behind it? There are lots of websites which says that watch ads make $10, $20, $30, but what exactly this like? Watching ads is basically, it's all about you when you go to a website, they will display you an ad, right? So you have to watch. You will, even in YouTube, you will be ending up watching some ads. You will have sometimes a skippable option where you skip it after 3 or 4 seconds, and the other option is non-skippable. You will not be able to watch, like, you can't skip it. You have to watch like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. That's the reality behind watching ads. But there are lots of websites. The reason why I want to put this video together is how people are getting scammed by this thing, like make money by watching ads. I mean, the first and foremost topic is, many websites, whichever says that, whichever the website you go and work, where you want to make money by watching ads, what they started doing is they started putting packages saying that if you pay $5, you're gonna get more and more ads to watch so that you can make more money. Or buy this package of $10 where you're gonna get like 1,000 or 2,000 ads per month to watch. You know what I mean? It's become like a package, where a business where they sell you a package. Take this $10 package, $20 package, where you can watch more and more ads and make more and more money. It's become like that, So that's what I'm trying to say. It's become an industry where they make money by even before selling. They make it more enticing that you get attracted. Okay, I can make, like, just by paying $5, I'm gonna make $500. You know what I mean? So that concept comes in and they pay you. They make you pay it. First and foremost, any website which is like whichever website I mentioned before, also microtask website, you should never ever pay to them. You should only earn money from them. That's the most important thing. So that's the first topic. So make sure you are not scammed by saying that you can watch watch ads and make money by by paying money to any website. That's the first foremost topic. The second thing is, all these websites will say whatever you like. You watch ads, pay money, but the reality is the money which they pay you, it will be like 0.0015, 0.0010. It's not even 10 cents. It's going to be very less, very tiny, that in order to get that reach at $1, it will take you so long. Okay, that's the second point. And the third point, even if you want to withdraw the money, whether through PayPal or Bitcoin or whatever the way you want to withdraw the money, that amount, most of these websites will have $5 cap, minimum $5 or $10. In order to reach that $5, it will take you so long 90% of the time they will end up giving away. They might be working for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. They might reach only like 50 cents or 20 cents or 30 cents after watching like might be 20, 30 or 100 videos, and end up they will not reach that $5 mark, and they will just give up. This is what the reality is. I'm telling you the fact, guys. Okay, they will not end up that $5. They might reach $1. It will take so much time to watch these videos to make that few cents of money, and then end up what happens is that you will not end up reaching that $5, and you will not even you will just leave and go. That's what I'm saying. That's the third point. The fourth point, the most little more important, is what these websites are like. The reality behind watching ads is that these ads are gonna be kind of a scammy ads or porn ads, like illicit ones. Same thing which you may not like it. I mean, if you're into porn, that's different, but something which many people are not like watching the porns and all those dirty ads in order to make money, right? So that's what I'm saying. It's going to be porn and dirty and illicit ads, and end of it, what is going to be is, that's the fifth point. These kind of ads, what they will do is, when you click that ad to watch, which they make you to watch, it will take you to another website. When you click that button, it will take you to another website. It's going to be keep on taking you to another website, which is all. What happens is that even sometimes they will ask you to download something, download the software in order to go to the next website, in order to get paid. They keep saying you that, you end up downloading few things which is not good for your computer as well. So that's the fifth point. And sixth point, during this process of watching ads, what happens is that you end up allowing some, you keep getting this, I'm sure you should notice, allowed notifications, enable or disable. These keep on popping up, that they will make you to enable certain notifications. What happens is with this is that they grab the data from you. What they're doing is they're taking your data from you. Okay, that's what these websites do, and that's what these people do. Over they're taking the data, they sell to other scammers. So this is what is happening. That's the seventh point actually. What they're doing is, what these websites you're passing through these ads watching, they take you the data and they sell that data to others. And this leads to that next point, where these datas are given to the scammers, and easily you are getting scammed. This is exactly ends up being a scammy website, because these datas which are given, you easily be hacked. Easily they can gonna hack you through whatever it is, through your PayPal or whatever the payment processors or whatever the website you're trying to reach. They can through your email. That's all the thing. You will end up giving your email to these people when you're going through this process of watching ads, enter your email and stuff, and this email itself is also going to be helpful for the scammers to scam you. That's easy to grab all your personal data. That's the most important thing. This is what I'm trying to say is, all these points I'm trying to mention is, there might be some people who might end up getting paid. I'm trying to talk about 90 to 95% of the people who are going into such making money thing, watching ads and making money. This is the true reality. I'm telling you, this is the fact. I know I myself guilty. When I started, I have tried many websites. I'm not saying, there are a couple of few websites which are genuine, which does pay, but 90%, 95% of the time, it's kind of a scammy. You will, it looks genuine, but it's become like a kind of a business where they make you pay money to watch the ads. You know what I mean? Like they say $5 and give you the 1,000 ads to watch and stuff. So it doesn't make sense, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. Of course, I have done lots of videos where I show you many websites to play, many watch videos and make money. But there are different levels to watch video. When you watch videos, you get the points which you can use it for, to get likes and shares for your Instagram or for your Facebook ad. That's a different way of making money. You're not making money, but you're watching videos. That points which you get, you can make use for growing your channel or growing your Facebook, growing your audience. That's a different way to make. It's not getting your money out, but it helps you to grow your Instagram or your Facebook page. It's tit for tat. It's like a barter system. You do something for somebody, you watch videos of others, and you get a point system where you use that points for you growing your channel. That's the different thing. But this watching ads to make money, it's really, really kind of getting to be a scammy kind of a business, guys. That's something I want to inform you. And also the most important, even if you end up watching the ads properly, genuinely, what happens is that many websites, they don't pay you because there's no such thing as tracking. There's no a proper tracking system for that kind of websites where you might say I watched like 10 ads, 20 ads, but when you on your system it might not show you. Like you might get paid even less. So what I'm trying to say is there are lots of websites I mentioned in my channel, or even in YouTube or other channels. You can search online, make money online, or data entry jobs. There are lots of genuine websites you can work for, rather than going and falling into this trap of watching ads and making money. I'm not saying like there are one or two websites I know there are which are market research companies which allows you to watch ads to make money, but 95% of the time it's kind of a scammy kind of stuff. That's the idea behind this video. Watching ads and making money, how truth it is, what's the reality behind it. So I don't want you guys in my being my followers, I don't want you to be wasting your time making money during these hard times. It's better to go and follow certain websites which are genuine and make money out of it. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind today's video. Tell about this true reality. Even in this one, if you see watching ads and watching videos and making money, I've told you the reality of watching YouTube ads, certain websites, how they it's like you can go and watch this video where that certain website it is a genuine website, to be frank, but watching video on that website doesn't seem to be really working well. Or the other doing surveys, doing online data entry seems to be good, but that part of watching videos and watching ads, it doesn't seem to be really working well. That's what I talk about on this video here. Anyway, check it out on your spare time. So that's the idea behind this video. So if you got any value out of it, just drop a comment below. It will truly help me. Any doubts, complaints, suggestions, do drop. It will truly help me to grow my channel. I'll appreciate your support by subscribing and hit that bell icon, so it will help me. You will get notified whenever I do new videos. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.